Mindswarms Review. Can you make money or not? I'm going to tell you whether you can actually make money with Mindswarms. Mindswarms is a survey platform that pays you to answer questions on video. Each survey pays between $10 and $50, and payments are made through PayPal within 24 hours. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Surveys are rare. You have to qualify based on the demographic, and even when you do, you might not get picked. Plus, you must record yourself on video, which isn't for everyone. If you're camera shy, this isn't the best option. So, can you make money? Yes, but not consistently. It's legit, but don't expect a steady income. If you don't mind video surveys, it can be a nice side hustle.